What's going on, everyone? Logan here again with another Wurth product demo video. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about Clean Prep Aerosol. I'm going to show you a few ways that you can use this product and how you can show it to your customers. So let's dive in here to Clean Prep Aerosol. All right, so let's check out a demo here where we're going to utilize the Clean Prep Aerosol to clean and prepare a work surface for painting, for body work, or anything like that. Now, what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to actually sand some of the paint off of this panel, and we're going to show how the Clean Prep will prepare the surface and remove any residue, greases, wax, things like that. So first things first, we want to make sure that we're protected. I've got my handy mask here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and we're going to start sanding. Okay, so we have got our panel here. We've done our sanding. We've got this ready to go. Now, before we want to apply any type of Bondo or any kind of filler as we're doing some body work, or before we even really apply any paint, one of the things we want to make sure that we do is have this surface clean. We want to get any kind of dust or the contaminants off the surface. So we're going to go ahead and spray some of our Clean Prep Aerosol. You do want to make sure that you do this in a well-ventilated area. It does have a little bit of a strong odor, and make sure you've got the correct equipment on when you're using this product. What we're going to do is spray a little bit of this on here. You can use a shop towel. I like to use paper towels because it's quick and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down. And what we're doing here is we're removing any kind of dust or any other type of surface contaminants, any kind of wax, adhesive, anything like that. This product will help you get that off of there and get this surface nice and clean and ready for the next step in whatever body work that you're going to be doing on that. You can see here, one of the great things about Clean Prep Aerosol is that it does not leave any film, it does not leave any residue, and it's going to help get your surface prepped and ready for the next step in your body work. Another one of the great features that's often not discussed about Clean Prep Aerosol is its ability to help break down adhesives. I find a lot of my customers who have Clean Prep Aerosol in their shop are going to keep a can of this by their tire machine, and they'll use that to clean the area on the rims, to apply a new stick-on wheel weight, or to help remove adhesive from a previous wheel weight. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm actually going to grab some of our spray adhesive, and I'm going to spray a little bit of this right onto the surface here. And now it's going to take a few minutes. We want to let this flash off. There's some different solvents in here that help make that an aerosol. We're going to let this sit, and we're going to come back in a few minutes, and we're going to apply the Clean Prep, and we're going to see how it helps remove this adhesive from the surface of this metal. All right, so we've let this adhesive sit here for just a few minutes. And it's flashed off completely. It's very sticky as I touch it. My gloves want to stick right to the surface of this. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to apply, again, our Clean Prep Aerosol to the surface where we have this adhesive, and we're going to wipe this away. And you're going to see how quickly and easily this product is going to help remove adhesives. So let's go ahead and try this out here. Spray a little bit of that on here, and let's grab our paper towel, and just a couple of wipes. We might have to reapply a little bit of Clean Prep. Already it's breaking this down. We're just getting through the top layer. I'm going to apply a little bit more. Very nice. And we wipe this away, and already I cannot see any of that adhesive left on here. We'll wipe the whole surface down. Again, always want to make sure that you test a little bit of this product out in an inconspicuous area. Make sure that it's not going to have any reactions to the paint or whatever metal that you're going to be applying it to. But this is another great use for this product, and one that you can recommend to your customers. Something to keep by the wheel weight machine to use on your adhesive wheel weights. All right, guys, so we've seen a little bit how we can use this product, some different applications for it. Now let's actually stop for a second and talk about what this product is. Clean Prep is a solvent-based chemical. What that means is it's going to help us break down any kind of surface contaminants on our metal or whatever the application is we're using this product on. Those The solvents are going to help remove adhesives, remove dust, and clean and prepare the surface for whatever the next step is in our repair process. So that ought to cover it here for us on our clean prep. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope that you guys can get something out of this, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Have a great one.